Want to speak real Turkish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at turkishclass101.com.
Hi everybody, I'm Celine from turkishclass101.com. Do you know how to say I love you in Turkish? In this lesson, you'll learn 3 different ways to say I love you and a special phrase for Valentine's Day. Let's start with the most common phrase. Seni seviyorum. Seni seviyorum. I love you. This phrase is direct. You should use it only when you're confessing your love. If you want to be less direct, you can use this phrase. Sen benim için çok şey ifade ediyorsun. Sen benim için çok şey ifade ediyorsun. It means you mean so much to me. Now, if you want to be more romantic in expressing your love for someone, you can use this phrase. Sana olan sevgimi kelimelerle tarif edemem. Sana olan sevgimi kelimelerle tarif edemem. It means words cannot describe my love for you. Now you know 3 different ways to say I love you in Turkish. And here is one more. What if you want to spend Valentine's Day with someone special? In that case, you can say, Sevgililer gününü benimle geçirir misin? Sevgililer gününü benimle geçirir misin? It means, will you be my Valentine? Let's wrap up this lesson by recapping what we have learned. Listen to the expression and repeat after me. I love you. Seni seviyorum. Seni seviyorum. You mean so much to me. Sen benim için çok şey ifade ediyorsun. Sen benim için çok şey ifade ediyorsun. Words cannot describe my love for you. Sana olan sevgimi kelimelerle tarif edemem. Sana olan sevgimi kelimelerle tarif edemem. Will you be my Valentine? Sevgililer gününü benimle geçirir misin? Sevgililer gününü benimle geçirir misin? Well done! Here is a fun fact. Do you know how Turkish people show their love on Valentine's Day? They buy gifts for each other and write love messages on cards. Flowers, chocolates, and heart-shaped toys are among the most popular presents in Turkey. Most people like having a romantic dinner together. You just learned 3 different ways to say I love you in Turkish and 1 special phrase for Valentine's Day. Also, don't forget to download your free cheat sheet on how to be a good lover in Turkey, including words for romance, compliments, and pickup lines. Check out the description below and go to turkishclass101.com now. I'll see you next time. Hoşça kalın.
But it was good.
By repeat, sorry, here is again. I wanted to speak so much. Give it to me. Kebab man, give from here. Don't worry, it's still romantic though. Yeah,
And then like
I agree.
Mustache thing.
Sure. And that was it for today. If you want to see Kebab man more, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to visit turkishclass101.com. I'll see you there. Goodbye. Eat more kebab.